In December, CBS 12 News had a chance to look at the K-9 training over at the Martin County Sheriff's Office. It showcased 2 first-time handlers and 2 untrained puppies at the time, Kane and Nitro.
Now, months later, those puppies are now dogs, and their handlers have completed the rigorous training. Treasure Coast reporter Dylan Huberman has followed these K-9s since the beginning and got to see them in action today.
Kane and Nitro here went from trainees to deputies in just a matter of months, and they're now out in the field helping keep the community safe.
K-9 Kane.
Yes! Super! That's my boy! Oh, that's like a dog! Good boy!
And Nitro.
Parking!
Reporting for duty. After months of training, these dogs and their handlers have graduated and are ready for the field.
The dogs were young and the handlers were new, and it's been really cool to watch them both mature and learn together as a team.
Deputy Alex Mercado and Kane are now one team.
Kane, here! Yes!
And Sergeant Christian Crandall and Nitro are another. They both say the extensive practice over the last few months created a special bond.
In the beginning, it was difficult because you're trying to read and understand every behavior that the dog's showing you.
As you move forward, you realize that you've developed this partnership and you know how to read your dog's learning how to read you. And by the end of it, you're working in harmony together.
That hard work paid dividends this week.
Parking!
They tracked down a murder suspect in Stewart on Sergeant Crandall's very first day in the field with Nitro.
For his first track and find to be a homicide suspect was pretty rewarding. That first blind track in the real world was a little bit intimidating, but Nitro excelled.
The amount of training that goes into these dogs and to be able to succeed in their job like this it's invaluable.
And while the initial training is done, the practice never stops. Deputy Mercado says Nitro's success with Sergeant Crandall in the field serve as a prime example of why continued reps with his partner are so important.
For me to see him do it was just a huge confidence boost because I know that it's going to come together. Just in time, it'll come together.
In Stewart, Dylan Huberman, CBS 12 News.